Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your WhatsApp online status. Without further ado, let's get started. So there is actually no way to permanently hide your WhatsApp online status. There is no setting for that, but there can be a turnaround on that when you want to temporarily hide your online status. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is before you open up a certain message that you just received, what you're going to do is to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen from here to open up our control center and to turn on your airplane mode like that, and you can now open up the conversation you want to read without letting them know that you are currently online. You can also respond and it will send when your connection is back. So then once you go home, you can just turn off your airplane mode like that and the Wi-Fi connection will be back. So the next thing that we can do is to turn off the last seen status. So to do that, let's just open our WhatsApp application again and go to the settings page by clicking on that icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And from here, click on account, click on privacy, and let's click on last seen right here. So you may want to set it at nobody so that your last seen status won't be seen by other people, So that is another way. And the last thing that you can do to kind of hide your online status is to also turn off your read receipts from here, also on the privacy setting of the page. So just click on this toggle button right here if it is currently turned green so that it will be turned off. So that is how you can basically hide your WhatsApp online status. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.